ترجمان دفترخارجہ نفیس زکریا کا کہنا ہے کہ پاکستان سے طالبان اور دہشت گردی کے دیگر تمام نیٹ ورکس کا خاتمہ کر دیا گیا ہے۔ کالعدم حقانی گروپ افغانستان سے چلایا جا رہا ہے۔ ہفتہ وار بریفنگ میں ترجمان دفترخارجہ نفیس زکریا کا کہنا تھا۔
Highlight the significant activities on the foreign policy front. All of us celebrated Eid with mixed feelings due to tragic incidents in Parachinar, Quetta, Karachi and Ahmedpur. We condemn terrorism and those who perpetrate, finance and support terrorists. Our sincere condolences and prayers for the victims, bereaved families and injured in those incidents. We also condemn continuous shedding of blood of the defenseless Kashmiri people in Indian occupied Kashmir. Indian occupation forces mercilessly killed 15 and seriously injured 250 Kashmiris, including children, old age people, women and journalists. Eyes and vital organs of around 24 Kashmiri, especially young boys, were targeted with parrot guns bullets.
ترجمان دفترخارجہ نے کہا،
Reportedly, Indian forces in IOK are using ammunition containing chemical agents and precursors to kill Kashmiri youth and destroy Kashmiri's properties. Charred bodies of Kashmiri youth were found in the debris of 5 houses destroyed by the Indian forces at Bamnu and Kakpura in Pulwama. The bodies were so extensively burnt that they were beyond visual recognition. Body of Kifayat Ahmed, one of the 3 martyred youth, could be identified only. There were more such occurrences of crimes by the Indian Army. If use of chemicals in the ammunition is confirmed, then it would constitute a serious violation of the international norms and India's international obligations under Chemical Weapons Convention. We call upon the international community, particularly relevant international organizations, to initiate investigations into these reports.
ترجمان دفترخارجہ نفیس زکریا نے مزید کہا،
On June 12, 2017, TTA leader Mullah Abdul Bari, you were referring to, was killed by Afghan 215th Mewant Corps in Nade Ali, Helmand. Then writers on 30th of August reported killing of 4 commanders of Haqani network in US airstrike in Afghanistan's Jani Khel district. The report also mentioned that Haqani fighters have traditional stronghold in eastern Afghanistan. Then I'll quote you from another news reference. Tolo News reported killing of Haqqani commander Colonel on 25th July 2016 in eastern Khost province of Afghanistan in an encounter with the Afghan security forces. Daily Express Tribune carried datelines of New Indian Express and Xinhua news agency on 10th of June to report killing of Haqqani commander Sirajuddin Kadimi in a US drone strike in Sarwaza district of Paktika province on 8th of June. The report mentioned that Haqqani network, regarded as military wing of Taliban outfit, has been operating mostly in Afghanistan's eastern provinces and Kabul. With these statistics, it is evident that Haqqani network is based in Afghanistan and operates from there.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
पाकिस्तान भर में नुमाइंदगान का वसी नेटवर्क, हर खबर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए TNN TV।